Welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. If you are seeing my tutorials for the first time, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for always stopping by to watch my tutorials. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share this tutorial with your friends, give it a thumbs up, like, share and comment. And guys, don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever we upload beautiful tutorials like this. So guys, today we are making this stylish fitted dress. It's going to have V neckline at the back. It's a beautiful style. So guys, don't forget to keep on watching this tutorial to the end so that you'll be able to see the outcome of this style that we are making today. So we are making use of 2 yards of this beautiful fabric. That's the yard that we are using today, 2 yards of this fabric. So let's get started now with our tutorial. So I'm using 2 yards of this silk material to make this beautiful style. You can see how beautiful it is. So I'll just fold this fabric into 4 pieces. So that's what I'm trying to do, to fold the fabric into 4 pieces. So we are cutting the 2 pieces together, the front and the back piece together. So that's what I'm trying to show you guys. So I will draw a straight line for us to start our measurement. So guys, don't forget we are making stylish fitted dress with this beautiful fabric that we are using. So I'll go for my length first. So the length of my dress, I'm going by 58 inch. Okay, so I'll mark 58 inch on both sides of fabric. So I'm going by 58 inch for the length of my dress. All right, so I'm going by 8 inch for my shoulder. Okay, so I'll mark 8 inch for my shoulder, right? So I'll just draw a straight line for that. So guys, don't forget to keep on watching this tutorial to the end so that you'll be able to see the outcome of this style that we are making today. Alright, so I'm going by 5 inch for my neckline. Alright, so now the depth of my neckline, I'm going by 2 inch. Alright, so I'll just curve it. Alright, so now I'm going to slope my shoulder. So I'm going to slope it by 1 inch. So I'll just draw a straight line. Alright, so now I'm going for my half length. So my half length is 15 inch. So that's my half length there, 15 inch. Okay, so now from my shoulder to my hip length, I'm going by 23 inch. Okay, so I'm marking 23 inch from my shoulder to my hip line. All right, so now is my bust. My bust is 36 inch. So I'll just mark that 36 inch is for my bust. All right, so I will now add 1.5 inch for my sewing allowance. All right, then I'll just connect it. Then I'll curve my armhole now. All right, so I'm curving my armhole for that now. So now is my waist measurement. So my waist measurement is 28 inch. So I'll also add my 1.5 inch for my sewing allowance. All right, so now is my hip measurement is by 38 inch. So I'll also add my 1.5 inch for my sewing allowance. All right, so at the downside my hemline is 36 inch. All right, my camera is not taking that part. I'm sorry for that. So my hemline is by 36 inch. So now I'm still measuring it. My camera is not picking that part. I'm sorry about that. So what I'll just do, I'll connect all the lines together, all the marks, I'll connect it together. Okay. Alright guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share this tutorial with your friends, give it a thumbs up so that more audience can see this tutorial and learn from it. Alright, so you can also check my other tutorials on my channel. So guys, please watch my tutorials down to the end to support this channel to grow. Alright, I really want this channel to grow, guys. Alright, so after that, what I will do now, I'll cut it out. So I'll start by cutting my neckline first. Okay, so I'll just cut my neckline first. I'll cut, I told you the back will be V neckline at the back. Alright, so I'm cutting it. I've already cut, so I'll spread it out for you guys to see how the neck is now. So after this, we are going to cut our sleeve. Alright, so now is my sleeve. Okay, so I'll just fold it into two pieces. That is the two sleeves. I'm cutting them together. Alright, so this is how to go about it when cutting your sleeve. So I'll take the measurement for my length is by 6 inch. So I'll just mark 6 inch for the length of my sleeve. Alright, so my armhole is by 1 inch. So I'll just connect it together. Alright, so I'll go for my round sleeve is by 7.5 inch. Alright, so what I'll do now, just connect the marks together. So after connecting it, I'll cut it, then I'll take it to my sewing machine, then I'll run a stitch on it, then I'll attach it to my dress, and my fitted dress will be ready for us to wear out. You can see how simple it is. Just follow the procedure. You'll be able to cut yours after watching this tutorial, guys. It's very simple to cut and sew. Alright, so after watching it, please try to practice it and you're going to love the outcome. So you can see how beautiful our fitted dress is now. Very beautiful. You can see how lovely it is on my body. Don't forget we made use of 2 yards of this fabric to achieve this style. It's a silk material. Very lovely. So guys, please don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share this tutorial with your friends. Please always support this channel by watching my tutorials down to the end, guys. And you can also check my other tutorials that I have on my channel to watch them so that you'll be able to also learn the other styles that we have on my channel. So we have come to the end of today's tutorials. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Let me know what you think about my tutorial by commenting, by telling me what you think about my tutorials. Please watch my tutorials down to the end because you are going to learn a lot after watching it. And after watching it, don't forget to practice it so that you'll be able to learn how to cut it on your own. So please, you can also check my other tutorials now.